What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk to you about the crypto market because the crypto market just flipped, right? We saw this go all the way down to a $1.5 trillion market cap. And within maybe a couple of weeks, we saw this push up to a level where now it's at a 1.7 plus trillion dollar market cap, rising over $200 billion. This is amazing to see this growth. And in this last day alone, we've seen it go from about a 1.64, $1.63 trillion market cap all the way up to where it is now at a 1.7 plus trillion dollar market cap. Now, it really all depends on what's happening within the market at the time of release within this video. But at the time of recording, it is 10:09 a.m. On February the 8th. So as this video gets released, probably somewhere around 3 o'clock. It really depends on, where things are. But just know that the crypto market was flourishing, and hopefully it continues. It continues to push back up and gets to a point where maybe it breaks through. When it comes to Bitcoin being at 50,000, I would hope that it breaks through that level, the previous high that it was at, because it did find a way to come down to about the 200 EMA. And, we'll talk about that as we go through the market today. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. Some of those links include my Patreon, my Twitter. I also have a link for Margex if you guys are interested in trading with leverage and investing a small amount to be able to get a decent return if you are right on some of those plays. If you feel like you have a great strategy, Margex is a fantastic platform. Also, it's amazing on charting, which you will see within this video, but it's a fantastic platform that I think you all should check out. The only thing that it doesn't have is a swap feature. You are leverage trading and you're using whatever coins you have available as leverage to trade any other position. So it's a really interesting concept and I like it. There's no KYC. So if you're wondering about that, definitely get over here while, everything's, available and we're doing everything. And honestly, it's a fantastic platform. I've been using it for probably like 3.5 months or so. So definitely check it out. They are a partner with the channel. So thank you, Margex, for being a partner and also offering a great platform here. But like I said, I wanted to talk about the crypto market because it's been exciting today, right? We haven't seen like crazy amount of views or anything like that, but it's great to see the movement. It's great to see that certain things are taking off. And, whether you're talking about getting, Solana getting back to $100 or Bitcoin getting back up to some of these levels, that's what we really wanted to see. So let's go ahead and look at the market and let's, break this all down. The current crypto market is at a $1.72 trillion market cap. It's up 3.79%, almost 4% on the day. That's a massive move for the overall crypto market. And you're seeing Bitcoin that's kind of leading the way, as you can see on the screen behind me. Bitcoin's leading the way at about 4.7%. So it's really pushing the entire market up, as well as seeing other things that are moving, as well. So currently, like I said, the market's at 1.72 trillion. You're seeing Bitcoin's dominance that is increasing by about 0.39%, seeing it at a 51.47% dominance. So if you're wondering if right now is meme coin season or altcoin season, we are not there yet, but we're definitely seeing it lean more towards greed, where people are buying up a lot of Bitcoin and a lot of other projects. Now, if we scroll down here and look at other projects in like the top 25, we're going to see Ethereum is up by 3%. Up to 2,400, which is phenomenal to see. Tether, that's seeing a slight increase, but that's a stable coin. You see BNB, that's up 5%, up to about $320. Solana's over the $100 mark again at $104, especially after seeing the outage that they did have. It's great to see a push. It's up by 9% on the day. Even XRP is up. With the litigation and things that are going on there, I really expect this to just stay flat. And it's up about 2.6% on the day, pushing up to about 52 cents, which is amazing to be able to see that. Cardano is up by 10.5%, Avalanche up by 4.6%, Chainlink and Dogecoin, they're up. You're seeing 2% for Polkadot, 4% for Polygon, 3% or almost 4% for internet computer, and so on and so forth, right? You see a lot of green within the market, not much red. You see Monero that's red, but not much red in the top 100 here. Again, absolutely amazing to be able to see this there. I do want to take you through maybe some notable positions. If I look at my watch list, notable positions within the market, you're seeing Cardano is one that I hold, again, 10.5%. You're seeing 16%, 16.6 for Caspa, which is listed at 33 by market cap, but it's up 16%, almost up to 13 cents, which is absolutely fantastic to see that. Beam is up 11%, and you're also seeing Grok that is up 20% for a notable meme coin position. Now, if we look at Bitcoin a lot closer, if we go over to Margex, again, if you guys want to start trading on Margex, feel free to use that link that's in the description for Margex. If you look at it a lot closer, I was talking about people on the live stream about this, or talking with people on the live stream about this, not talking about people. I wouldn't do that. But where we are right now is not similar to what we've seen in any type of bullish momentum that we've seen before. A lot of people like to claim that this movement that we've seen, these larger movements, this is what we're seeing here. This is not what we're seeing here. What we're seeing here is what's over here, the buildup to where that bull market's going to be. In my opinion, I believe the bull market, or the market's going to be worth 5 to 10 trillion dollars as we see the more short-term bull run, short-term rise that happens. What we're seeing is a blown up picture of what this build-up process is. As you hit this low build-up process, and then boom, absolutely skyrockets. Right here, this is the slow build-up process. Tell me this looks exactly like that. This is over a year that we saw this movement. This is from where we saw this jump. This is like a couple of months, like a few months that you saw this pump up, and then also another few months that you see this pump up. Those are the gains. Those are the larger pushes that you see within the market, and we are not there yet. Right? We saw this bounce off of this level, and now we're seeing it kind of break out of that trend and creating a new trend to where maybe this is the new trend where it creates a brand new bottom or a new path forward. But it's coming down to the 200 EMA, and now it has kind of bounced close to that level, and we're seeing it up at this 45 level. It did finally break 45 again, breaking that level, which is definitely a significant point to see it break through right here. And we want to see it find a way to break through 48, 49, 50. That's what we're looking for coming up next. And if we can see it break through that, then that's where we'll probably start to see this more bullish momentum that we've seen compared to previous levels and previous areas back here. So I'm very, very excited. As you can tell, my voice is elevated. I'm excited about the bull market. I'm excited about where things are going to go. I can't wait to see this bullish momentum that we all want to see, not only in something like Bitcoin, but also in other plays like XRP and AVAX and Cardano and Polygon, whatever. Just all of these plays, even lower end positions that are sitting at $1 million, $10 million, $100 million market cap, like a Jasmy coin or like a Terra Luna Classic. I'm excited to see what those will be, but only time will tell. But it's great to be able to see that the market is thriving like this. And, as we see more and more, as we get closer and closer to decisions for XRP versus or Ripple versus the SEC, Coinbase versus the SEC, the halving, all of these different things, different ETFs, we have a lot of bullish momentum that's coming up, and I'm happy to see some green here after seeing it dive down from a $49,000 level down to about a $38,000 level for Bitcoin. So let me know what you're thinking about the market and where you believe it's going to go. Do you think it's going to slide down further, that this is just creating a lower high? Because it could be creating a lower high to lower low scenario to get down to the 200 EMA, or even break down to that level where we see the trend going, the ascending level of support. But anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below for Patreon, for Twitter, for Margex. Feel free to check out that. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.